Recording.
Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. If you can hear me loud and clear, let me know in the chat box. Drop a 111, so I know you guys can hear me and the stream is working good. I see a thumbs up. Amazing. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good. A brand new week here with our price traps. Let's see what the market has to offer. But before we start going through the charts, I want to start this morning with our morning habit we had for a long time. And I want to bring it back, all right? Because this is one of the most powerful things you can do in the morning, and that's pretty simple: being grateful for the things you already have in life, all right? It can be the most simple thing, all right? It can be being grateful to wake up this morning, being grateful for the community we have, and that we are all learning how to trade and to become independent, to have certain types of freedom, all right? So let me know in the chat box, why are you grateful? And then we can start this amazing morning session. Happy and grateful for another 24 hours. Grateful for my baby. Amazing. Love it. That's exactly what I'm meaning. Health, family, sessions. Let's go. I love it. Amazing to see that. All right, good. Let's go through the charts and see what kind of opportunities we can have for today. Yesterday, I had a very calm day. I had two different opportunities, AUD, Euro AUD, but it didn't do what I wanted to do. All right, so let's see if we can get a better day today. All right, so let's start with AUD Canadian, where we are seeing a very obvious moment of consolidation where the market is stuck in between two zones. So for the people who do not know this, we are using price trap. What is price trap? It's a very simple strategy where we are focused on the market principles, the basic principles, and that's the highs and the lows. All right, we want to see the market breaking highs or lows. Once that happens, we simply want to wait for the retest, find ourselves an opportunity with that retest, and follow the breakout movement. All right. I'm happy and grateful now to wake up this morning. Let's go. Catch JPY, GJ, Euro JPY, catched it all 103. It was a wonderful day. Yeah, I know. If you were looking at the GPY pairs yesterday, like Euro JPY, Canadian JPY, and GJ, we had a beautiful breakout retest. For me personally, I didn't react on it because I was already running two different ideas. And also, it didn't retest deep enough to trigger my entries. All right. But of course, if you were looking at it with a 5-step confirmation, you had some different opportunities to react to that. All right. Good. Then we have ADJPY. ADJPY, we can see a potential follow-up of our uptrending market here. We are breaking highs again. So let's see if we can get a proper retest out of this. There we go. I post the recordings on my YouTube channel, so I will show you in a moment. Just let me make sure I have this one here ready. So ADJPY retest. There we go. And then break support. Here we go. So if you go to YouTube, you can simply find me under the name Mr.Pricetrap. And there you will find every recording from the different morning sessions. All right. So needs to load. So let me go through the charts while I'm waiting. All right, so ADUSD, I was waiting for the breakout retest yesterday here. Market did react pretty good here on the supply, but it just didn't respect it and kept on moving higher, which is pretty normal. I knew I was going into a counter trend idea. Like you can see, the 4-hour time frame was obviously giving us an uptrend. But like you guys know, I react on both sides. So if the one side doesn't work out, we still have the other direction to follow the trend, or the trend that the market is creating. All right. No, I'm gonna stay away from it. I don't like the charts right now. So if you go to YouTube, simply Mr. Pricetrap. And then you will find me right over here, like you can see different recorded sessions over here. And of course, you also have my channel. There we go. All right. So every new video, just go to the video tab, and there you can do the newest ones, and then you can find every single recording. All right. So good. Let's see if we have something more. Euro AD, same thing. Yesterday, I was looking for the breakout retest to the downside. I did expect the market or saw the opportunity that the market could go a little deeper here, especially if you go to the 4-hour time frame. You see that breakout and then this massive demand zone. So I was aware of that the market could go lower. But like you guys know, if you are using the correct risk management, you shouldn't be worried too much about these kind of things. All right. So that's why I'm reacting on counter trend ideas without any problems, because I know I have a proper risk, and if I just follow my strategy, the win rate will take care of it. All right. Let's see if we can get that breakout retest to the upside today. Or if we will go a little lower to go deeper into the demand zones. So there we go. That's for Euro AD. So Euro JPY, like you said, beautiful breakout retest. So market broke out from the highs, came back for the retest, and then beautifully followed up that breakout. All right. So congratulations by catching these moves. Amazing and easy price traps, especially if you're following the 5-step confirmation. All the different price action moments were there on the different time frames. We had the engulfings, we had the rejections, we had everything we need to. I'm definitely going to try this again. Let's see if we can follow that uptrending movement here. And of course, if we can get a proper retest. Euro Canadian, I'm going to stay away from that one. Also going to stay away from this. Not the most beautiful charts today, or not the most clean charts. It's already a long time we went there, so I will have to focus on the structure we get today. Right. GJ, same thing here. GJ yesterday, breakout, retest, and market just went beautifully to that breakout direction. Don't like it. Hence the JPY, nope. That's not what I like to see here. Same thing here. Yeah, for Canadian JPY, we can wait for that retest. Again, same thing. Yesterday, breakout, retest, beautiful. How the market followed up that breakout, but nah, I'm gonna stay away from it. I just don't like it. 80 Canadian, pretty obvious. 80 JPY, yes sir, I like it. Euro AD waiting for the breakout. Euro JPY broke out, and GCAP waiting for the breakout. Let me see. You were asking GA. Yeah, I personally don't really like what I'm seeing here. You could trap this. It's a pretty big trap, but we don't have a breakout yet. So you could trap it like this and wait for the breakout. So it's a pretty decent price trap, but it's just so big and nah. The structure is there, so we can use this. Are you trapping it the same way, or what are you looking for? UJ, I don't like UJ. What I'm seeing on UJ, it's a pretty messy chart, so I'm gonna stay away from it today. Break resistance. There we go. UJ, let me check. Yeah, I just don't like what I'm seeing here. If you would trap it, if you want to really go for it, you should use this resistance zone because that's the last point of structure. And I would also use this low, all right? Because we didn't necessarily confirm the low we are creating right now. And that's why I would keep on focusing on this low over here, okay? So that's what I would be looking for if you're talking about UJ. And for the rest, I think we are done. I think that will be it for today. Are there any more pairs you're looking for that I didn't look for? Let me know into the chat. Oh, I cannot forget about gold, of course. So let me check. You're an AD entity. What are you looking for with AD entity cells? You're looking for the small breakout retest here. I'm gonna stay away from it. I don't really like what I'm seeing here. So I'm gonna stay away from it first. Okay. Oh, I deleted the entity out of my. There we go. There we go. All right. Then we have gold. Yeah, with gold, I was looking yesterday to get the breakout or to the upside or the downside, of course. We did get a breakout to the upside right now. So let's see if we can really respect this. Let's see if we can create some price action and follow up this breakout, yes or no. All right. So I'm very curious here. I'm also going to trap it, also going to use it. Always make sure, of course, that you're using proper risk management, so you're not risking anything you cannot miss, first of all, and not risking too much. All right, by using like a 0.5% risk, in my opinion, that's more than enough. If you're using smaller trade accounts, then I would also higher it up a little bit. For example, when I was trading in the past with a couple of, yeah, just let's say 1,000 or 2,000 euros, I was looking to risk 1 to 2%, something like that. But now, of course, with the bigger capitals, I'm lowering the risk. Oh, I didn't need to alert. Of course, what I'm saying here, nothing is any financial advice, or I don't. That's not my purpose here to give you any financial advice. I just want to share my knowledge and my experience I gained in the last couple of years, so you can really get into the chart independently and find yourself opportunities and know exactly what to do. All right. Good. Let me check. What do we have more? What do we think about the news at 4? Yeah, we will see some impact. That was the next thing I wanted to go over with. We have like the consumer confidence and 3 p.m. also some news. I don't expect the biggest movements. Of course, you will see some wicks that go to certain supply or demand zones. That's natural. That happens a lot of times. But I don't expect the biggest movements from these news events today. All right. If we're taking a look at big news events and where we really want to pay attention is of course tomorrow. Tomorrow, AUD, the CPI. So if you have AUD pairs running during the night, just be aware at 3:30 a.m. that we have a massive news event on the AUD pairs. All right, so please be aware of that. Always make sure to protect your account at all costs. Okay, so what do we have for today? Gold is retesting. We have UJ. I see Euro Pound coming in the chat. Let me check that first. Yeah, you could see this as a breakout retest to follow up this downtrending movement, this whole downtrending movement. So yeah, I do understand what you're looking for. I'm personally not really gonna look at this. I'm gonna leave this alone. I have price traps enough. I'm happy with the price traps, and I'm not fully convinced about the structure here. Okay. So good, we have the retest on gold. Then of course we have UJ where we are waiting for the breakout, GCAT waiting for the breakout, GA waiting for the breakout, Euro JPY broke out already, so we are waiting for a proper retest. Euro AD is breaking out at this point. I would love to see the market giving us a breakout retest to the upside to follow up this big breakout on the 4-hour time frame. Then we have AUD JPY, where I am waiting for a proper retest to follow up this uptrending movement. And then AUD Canadian, of course, also very beautiful price trap, easy consolidating market. So let's see which side we could break out on this pair. All right. So these are the different price traps that we have for today. Before I move further into the cryptos, I want to tell you guys not tomorrow, this weekend, Saturday, I'm leaving to Italy for 2 weeks. So there won't be any sessions for 2 weeks. All right. So from next week on, then the week after, I won't be here. But then the weeks after that, I will be back, of course. But right now, I'm just leaving this Saturday to Italy. I will be away for 2 weeks. And after that, I will be back. All right. I will update you also through the channel, the Telegram channel, with updates about when I'm coming back, when I'm leaving. But for this week, all good. Just want to warn you and make sure you know that I will be leaving for 2 weeks. All right, good. So let me check what Bitcoin is doing and the crypto charts are doing. All right, we are still at the same zone I was looking at yesterday and last week. So it's pretty simple what you see here, right? We had that downtrending movement. Even on the daily time frame, it was very obvious and clear that we had this downtrending movement happening. And then we got the breakout, all right? We had the break of structure, okay? We didn't break the highest highs, but we did break a lot of structure right over here. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, it gets even more clear. Like you can see, beautiful downtrending market, and then market starts to break structure. So what I'm looking for right now, of course, is the follow-up of this uptrending market. Do we react here on this orange zone and respect it and keep on moving higher to break more structure? Or do we go a little lower here into the blue zone to fill up some imbalances and create a higher low on that daily time frame? All right. So let's see. This is the question I'm asking myself. I am bullish. I'm not bearish at this point because the market is showing me bullish signs. Like you guys know, I follow up day by day and I just follow up what the market is showing. All right. I'm not going to try to predict the market or that kind of stuff. No, I just simply react on what the market is showing me. Okay. So this is the vision for Bitcoin. Of course, we had some very good news with the ETFs from Ethereum. You have seen that a massive push to the upside, also breaking a lot of structure. But I have a little bit the same vision here on Ethereum. I'm waiting for a retracement back into an orange or blue zone here. Let's see if we can get there. If not, yeah, if we start breaking structure, you know what happens, right? We are back at all-time highs, or not at all-time highs yet, but the highs from this bull run. And then, yeah, I think there is no limit anymore, and we will see some crazy things happening, especially when we talk about Ethereum and the altcoins that follow up on Ethereum's price. All right, we have seen a lot of altcoins really moving fast, and that's because of Ethereum and Bitcoin, of course. So we simply wait, we simply be patient on what the next days will say us. Good. So that's it. Thanks, by the way. I'm gonna have a great vacation. I'm sure about that. All right. So good. That will be it for today. One more time, I'm gonna go over the price traps. Of course, I'm gonna share them also, or share the pairs into the Telegram channel. So we have AUD Canadian waiting for the breakout, AUD JPY waiting for a proper retest. Euro AD is breaking out right now. Let's see if we can really hold this. Euro JPY waiting for a proper retest. GA waiting for the breakout. GCAT waiting for the breakout. And then UJ also waiting for that breakout. Let's see what gold is going to do. We are retesting at this moment. Let's see if we can get some proper price action and follow up this breakout. Okay, and that's it. I want to wish you all a beautiful, beautiful day. We see each other back, of course, tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. to review the different price traps we had from today. And of course, to make some new price traps for the next day. So thank you all for being here. I wish you the best. I will see each other back tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Brussels time. Ciao, ciao.